Hello friends, in today's video we will learn to speak English with easy and interesting questions which will help you to speak English fluently and confidently. Let's start without delay and yes, that subscribe button, press it lovingly once. So let's get started.
What's your secret talent?
I can play the guitar with my eyes closed.
Ever met a celebrity?
Yes, I once met a famous actor at an airport.
What's your guilty pleasure?
Eating ice cream late at night is my guilty pleasure.
Biggest pet peeve?
I get really annoyed when people chew loudly.
Craziest thing you've done?
I once went skydiving without telling anyone.
What makes you smile?
Seeing a beautiful sunrise makes me smile.
Favorite word in English?
My favorite word in English is serendipity.
Ever had déjà vu?
Yes, I've had déjà vu quite a few times.
Best advice you've ever received?
The best advice I've ever received is to live in the moment.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a travel photographer.
Ever seen a UFO?
No, but I hope to see one someday.
What's your spirit animal?
My spirit animal is a wolf.
Can you keep a secret?
Yes, I'm good at keeping secrets.
What's your weirdest habit?
I have a habit of biting my nails when I am nervous.
Ever had a near-death experience?
Yes, I once had a close call while hiking on a mountain.
What's your favorite smell?
My favorite smell is fresh coffee in the morning.
What's your go-to karaoke song?
My go-to karaoke song is Bohemian Rhapsody.
Would you survive a zombie apocalypse?
I think I could survive a zombie apocalypse with a good team.
What's the last lie you told?
The last lie I told was that I wasn't feeling well to avoid a meeting.
What's the last text you sent?
The last text I sent was to my friend, asking if they wanted to hang out.
Would you rather be invisible or fly?
I would rather be able to fly.
What's the best surprise you've ever received?
The best surprise I've ever received was a trip to Paris.
Do you believe in ghosts?
Yes, I do believe in ghosts.
What's your most embarrassing moment?
My most embarrassing moment was tripping in front of a large crowd.
What's your favorite childhood game?
My favorite childhood game was hide and seek.
Would you rather explore space or the ocean?
I would rather explore space. The universe fascinates me.
What's the strangest food you've ever tried?
The strangest food I've ever tried is fried insects.
Ever had a paranormal experience?
Yes, I've had a few paranormal experiences in old buildings.
What's the most spontaneous thing you've done?
The most spontaneous thing I've done is book a last-minute trip to a foreign country.
If you could swap lives with someone for a day, who would it be?
I would swap lives with a famous explorer for a day.
What's your go-to comfort food?
My go-to comfort food is mac and cheese.
What's the best compliment you've ever received?
The best compliment I've ever received is being told I'm a good listener.
If you could have dinner with any fictional character, who would it be?
I would have dinner with Sherlock Holmes.
What's the weirdest dream you've ever had?
The weirdest dream I've ever had was about talking animals taking over the world.
If you could speak any language fluently, what would it be?
I would love to speak Japanese fluently.
What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
On a rainy day, I love to curl up with a good book.